Here in this video, I'm going to show you how we can change the air filter, the engine air filter, the GS BMW 2016 and 2019. Specifically, this one is the 2017. Already have like 20,000 miles. I never changed it, so I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna show you how to do that and put the original part BMW filter. This one right here, part number. I always recommend put the OEM parts for your motorcycle, especially BMW. Start taking out all the bolts parts. This part is for the front. Let's take it out apart. You need to take it out the rear part because it only have 2 bolts right here. So that way we have access to take it out this front cover. That way, take it off this part. Fender, where's the antifreeze reservoir and the small radiator with the fan. Okay, then start to remove the front part. Okay, there's the other side too. Okay, then you can see that the right side, the left side has got two safety pins or whatever they call it, like this special tool, pliers. Little tabs right here at the bottom, right here, table, so we can see the bottom part for the tank. 2 more bolts right here. Just like a couple, a little bit longer, but you can see right away which one it is and which not. So you can hold this part right here, take it out. Very easy. So as you can see it right here, we have Torx, 4 Torx. Right here is where's the filter. Moving forward, you can see the cooling dust. You can clean it up. Right here's the filter. You can see it's not too bad for 20,000 miles, but still. Right, this is the new one. see the difference. Original BMW too. I'm gonna clean right here. Right here's the intake. Where's the air coming in? From here the intakes go straight to the engine. So I'm gonna clean up everything. You can see. Remember the little hooks facing up, like right here, like that, facing up. Go back right here. Nice. One position. Try to give it, and then it's one position for the 4 bolts, and then the edge sitting very well. Bolts back together of the bike, rear and front. So you can, it's easy for you, just take it out a little bit the bolts because it's too long. So that way you have space in the back at least to put it. You can see the 2 holes make it, like right here, like that, and then put the bolts in the back. It's a little bit more easy. Came back together, and in the same order. See it right here in the bottom part, and then right here 1 more bolt, right here too, and right here. All the bolts right here, coinciding, all the bolts. Okay, so we have the gas tank door freely open and closed, so that part is ready. The cover, nothing missing, all the bolts right here, the tank, the covers, making sure everything is tight. Okay, so now we put back the seat, and that's it. Making sure there's no lights, no nothing. When we start up, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.